Welcome back to Gaming Basics. In this video, we're gonna guide you through how to buy Gamestop gift card online. You can easily buy Gamestop gift card directly from the Gamestop website. Go ahead and launch open your web browser. To begin, in the URL box type in gamestop.com/gift cards. You will then end up in this page from where you can purchase gift cards. But remember to log into your account before that. If you've not logged into your account yet, enter your credentials and sign in first. Now, select the format of a card that you'd like to purchase. If you want to purchase digital gift card, you can tap on digital, while you can tap on physical if you want a physical one. After you are done, click on the amount you would want your gift card to hold and click on Add to Cart. Once you've added the gift card to your cart, click on the cart to open it up at the top right and then proceed with the purchase. Your order summary will be listed at the right hand side of the screen. Click on Proceed to check out and complete your payment process. Select the payment method in the Payment tab from which you would like to make the payment for the gift card and then follow through the prompts in order to complete your purchase. Now after you do that, you will be able to get your digital delivery in instant while physical delivery takes a few days. So that's how you can easily purchase Gamestop gift card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.